Yo, what's going on, man? It's Joseph, aka Jojo, aka Joseph Styling, man. What's going on with y'all, bro? This is a long past due unboxing. This is a FaZe loot box. I ordered this the last day of March actually. It took about 2 weeks to get here. Got here on April 15th. But this was $75. After shipping and everything, taxes, it came out to like $90. But it said that in this package, it's gonna be one shirt, one hoodie, and a surprise. So let's see what it is, man. Y'all know I rock with the FaZe clan. You know what I'm talking about, bruh. Real gamer out here. But about to use this as
one eternity later.
Bruh,
you stupid.
This whole time I thought it was like a razor in here. It's a white ceramic blade. Come on now. I guess, bro. Let's see. It better be a quality, bro. It's Supreme, so it better be of some damn quality. We finna find out. No cap. Let's see. Go right into this. Oh, okay. Y'all see the slicer? Man, like I said, bro, I had this box since April 15th. Today's date is now June 8th. Tuesday night. So we finna see how this rocking. Let me get that out the way. Put that little nice little touch right there, bro. Alright. Let's see what we get. Okay. Right. Ooh, hold on. I don't know what that tie-dye is. Alright, first things first. Look like we just got the regular FaZe clan t-shirt logo. I'll lay them all out. I just want to get this little unboxing out the way real quick. Oh, this is the champion one. Okay. So we got the FaZe clan champion shirt right here. So we're gonna go through that. Second item. Yo, that is fire. Bruh, nah, this is fire right here. This is the hoodie, bro. It says FaZe Clan tie-dye varsity hoodie right here on the barcode. Bro, this is flames. This is flames. I want to get that open already. All right, bro. Looks like we got our special item. There's no package slip or anything in here. I'm surprised. Special item: Kappa FaZe Clan socks. I hope these fit my size. It says unisex. Oh, size 10 through 13. Yep, you already know. I wear 11, bro, so that's perfect size for me. We'll stretch it out right quick so y'all can see the little graphics on that FaZe Clan Kappa collab. Okay, bro, that's fire. I mess with it. Let's get these. Let's get this shirt open and this hoodie open. So right here. Wait. Where my little box to go, bro? Yeah, I'm out here messing up, bro. We go straight to it, bro. All my shirts get hung up. Is this navy or black? I can't even tell right now, honestly. It's definitely navy. Definitely navy. This is fire. Not gonna lie. Let it focus real quick. So just a big FaZe Clan logo. Maybe there's a champion hit. Yep, champion hit right here on the left arm sleeve. Fire shirt, bro. No back graphic at all. Tag on the inside, yeah. So this is dope, bro. I've been wanting just a regular FaZe Clan shirt. Yeah, I can see I just got the jersey on right now. But I definitely needed just a regular t-shirt because sometimes the jerseys are just a little bit too much, you know, to just wear to some places. Sometimes you just want to go real casual with it, but these will be dope. This will be dope, I meant to say. Throw that back in the box. Kappa socks, bro. Fire. Might have to get the FaZe Clan slides just to go with this. Just open it up. I know y'all want to see the graphics and whatnot, bro. I'll lay one out right here. Stretch this one out just so y'all can see the graphics right here. So it's not like it's on the side, actually. See, this is the side of the sock, bro. but it's not on the side. So these are logos right here are going to be hitting on the back of your ankle, back of your leg and ankle. Pretty dope though. Pretty dope though. It looks a little dusty, bro. Come on now. Nah. So that's fire, bro. This right here though, this last item, bro, I'm juiced for this. This already just looks loud, bro. This is something I would definitely wear. But why I look like I'm missing 2 rhinestones right there? Come on, man. Y'all gotta step it up with the quality check, please. Nah, I'm playing, bro. This looks fire. Alright, it's already, don't need the box cutter because this is already open. Let me just lay it out. I wanna see what this hit look like under the lights. Bro, look at that. I don't think it's popping as popping as it should be, bro. Look at that. Shh. Nah, I'm not gonna say sheesh. I just go shh, cause you know it just leave you speechless, bro. Sheesh a word. Feel me? But nah, that's fire. Drawstrings. FaZe Clan on the tag. Anything on the back? Nothing on the back. It's cool. Nice little cozy sweater, bro. I like it. Yeah, this is definitely a good package. I would definitely buy this again, bro. This loot box is definitely worth it. So you see I got this hoodie right here, which is crazy quality, bro. Crazy quality. I'm not sure what the blank of this hoodie is, but you can see the materials all over it. What's this? 100%, 8% cotton, 20 poly. But yo, this is a real good material right here. But man, that FaZe Clan and the logos, bro. I wonder if these are Swarovski. Man, somebody correct me, bro. But y'all know what I'm talking about. You know,
Swarovski. Swarovski.
You know, they do collabs with all of these clothing brands and whatnot. But bro, this tie-dye is dope. I'm gonna definitely have to get some shoes to stand out with this. But that FaZe Clan and them rhinestones are crazy, or crystals. You know, I ain't trying to say it's some cheap rhinestones now. You know what I'm saying? Don't come at me, FaZe Clan. But there could be the Swarovski, whatever you want to call it. Those little designer crystals, bro. Cause this is a good quality. I am missing 2 right here. It looks like, unless that's just, you know, how QC came, quality control. But this hoodie is fire, bro. I can't wait to pull this out. Super hot over here. Summer is approaching, but definitely gonna be able to pull this off soon. But let me just get y'all one more hit, bro. Let me pop my the flash of my phone, bro, cause I swear it doesn't do it justice right now as I'm looking at it from my camera. Look at that, bro. These are popping. They are popping. Look at that glisten. Man. Let me find out FaZe did the they got a collab with some VVs. Let me find out we got VVS diamonds in this thing, boy. But stay tuned, man. I might have a lot of these like mystery unboxings, bro. I feel like, you know, that's real good content. I don't know what's gonna be in it. You know, this is just putting me on the spot. You know, I'm out here trying to review something, you know, it's my first time seeing. FaZe Clan definitely sent me some heat with this package, bro. $90 shipped. 75 without taxes shipping, bro. But definitely worth it. We got this fire hoodie with the Swarovski crystals. I'm gonna have to look it up just in case that's not what it is. But we got the Kappa socks, which is, you know, Kappa's a real known brand. Everybody collabs with Kappa a lot. And then we got this FaZe Clan Champion collab logo t-shirt, bro. So just trying to lay everything out, you know, on my desk, so y'all get an overview of everything that arrived, bro. Probably get a little thumbnail or something. Nah, thumbnail gonna be the box, but man, this was long overdue. Glad I got it out the way. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. FaZe dropped this again. You know I'm finna cop, bro, because I'm trying to shoot for a bear brick. I'm not gonna lie, I need a bear brick put back here, right behind me. But really mess with this loot box, mystery box, care package, whatever you want to call it, bro. t-shirt, hoodie, mystery item, which for me was the Kappa collab socks for $90, bro. You can't go wrong, bro. Especially this hoodie, bro. Like that's 90 alone, in my opinion, bro. That's crazy graphics. Look at that, man. Look at them glisten. All right, man, that's gonna wrap it up. Appreciate y'all tuning in for this little FaZe unboxing that I got. I'm gonna be doing a lot of these little mystery or care package loot boxes unboxings pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Whoever's liking this video, subscribing, you know, I appreciate you. Whoever you are, you know, drop your name. You know, I always show people love, show me love. You know, and I want to push people out there, you know, try to do the same thing, you know, branch out to different people. And you know, do more things, you know, create content. You know, that's really what I'm trying to get into. Definitely gonna have a lot more stuff coming out. Not just like clothing stuff, but you know, family things, you know, just random stuff. You know, I got a lot of ideas I gotta get out there in the world, so y'all stay tuned, man. But that's it. Be safe though.